In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your eversion of the ankle and dorsiflexion at the same time. So I'm on a massage bed here, and realistically you want to find something you can replicate what I'm doing on this video with. So for example, having the ankle off the edge of a chair, edge of a bed would work really well when doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come onto my side, I'm going to bring my left leg out the way and show you how I would do this with my right ankle. So I'm coming into a side lying position. I want you to notice the position of my right ankle. So you'll notice it's pointing down, which is actually called inversion. So I've got the weight of gravity bringing my ankle down into a position where it's in inversion. This means that I can work eversion, which is bringing the foot up, and then when I'm talking about bringing the foot up as well, what I mean by that is bringing it towards the ceiling. Once I've done that, I can then come into a position where I'm pointing the foot towards myself, so towards my head. That's then dorsiflexion. So eversion is bringing the toes in a position and the ankle where I'm coming directly up, and then dorsiflexion is now in that position that I'm held in, bringing my foot towards my head as far as I can. You might even feel this as being a little bit of a calf stretch in this position. So when we stretch our calves out, we come into ankle dorsiflexion. So you would repeat those two movements, and every time you did them, that would be one repetition. And you're trying to come out of it in a nice controlled fashion as well. So 1 second up, 1 second pause, and 1 second in. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. It's a fantastic exercise to start on ankle mobility as well as ankle rehab.